Just watch around.
It's kind of rude to lock the thing.
On it.
Safe.
One foot. That's fine.
Stand on it again.
Steve, show him down the line.
Remy can see it Remy still late this start. He's not having done stuff.
Go.
Stop thinking, help you.
They want sick people. They want undefeated. I don't know how to do it. He wasn't playing. Yes, I was when he won. Yes, you wasn't. Mom's like when he won.
We've got time.
Come in.
A new keeper friend. Good. Huh? How's your team, man? Back! You see it? So, if he stinks, what, each? Slackness or truth?
Take him on.
No shot, don't let us shoot.
Shots.
Hey!
Ref. Subs anyone?
Look like you see those glasses.
This is the question of dead space because we've done window space. Next time we get trial and error.
There's 150 prices.
If we can divide it by 5 people, and you skip it.
What, that's Dion?
You know what better. Mid-range, it's just in the line.
No problem.
For a snap.
Back right.
Someone needs Dion.
Nick, double up.
The milkshake one. That one made no sense.
Was it Tina's there?
It was dead.
Pause.
Next double.
Man on.
You know you can't bring people. I can't bring
That's your man.
It's still there.
Man on.
It's our reps.
It's in the party, man.
He's in the party.
One drive.
All we wanted was rain.
You need to make
Sub.
Me and Rami together.
Yeah. Who?
That look for shoot.
Do someone more.
Hey, I can shoot now, innit? Hey, I didn't choose the run. 1-5. Antioch. Here we go.
Remember when it was me and you and your friend? I think these man.
That was slow.
Who was he?
I can't live the worst big man.
Yes.
That's after 6 months.
Ref, he's got nowhere to fucking go!
Go, James!
I'm not having this from Ramlet.
It's not league, that's why.
What's the run, Steve?
Fuck that. Where's Adam?
Adam's behind us.
Yes, Steve!
Why is he on this dirty?
Hey, finish!
He jumping off.
I stay back, stay back!
Say 23 minutes, like 10 minutes.
Kev, go one more! Open up, Dion, open up, Steve!
He's playing shit.
That happened last time.
So, let it run, let it run!
Watch the run.
Hey!
Time, watch the run.
Hey, Steve, stay there. Stay there. Good. Go on, make a move.
Help him.
Keep going, boy. Watch that run, Steve. On it. Yes! How long rest? Alright, boys, if you're tired, let Alex come on. Benon's tired. Now, if you got energy, stay. Stay. One more. Yeah, I'll sub if needed.
One more, let him go.
Watch all the runners, Steve. Left shoulder, yeah? Get safe. Right, on it. Go keeper. Sub. Sub. Yeah. Keep it hold. Now play.
Head up, head up. He's let off him. Nice burn.
Alex, help him.
Steve dropped back here because Alex.
Well, another goal for me today.
We got Zine.
Relax, go keeper. Hold it there.
He's off him now. Someone off him. See on someone off him. Love.
Setting up ready. Alright, ready. Yeah.
Someone.
Sorry.
I drop, man.
It's from there.
So this is your feet.
Stop.
Your feet best one was 8 feet, isn't it?
He's training with them.
No one. What's the score? I know, but no one's going to come off.
Just shot. Hey, Steve, left shoulder. Left shoulder, Steve. Yeah, follow him.
Nowhere. On him hard, man.
Hey, left shoulder. Right foot. Right foot. Right foot.
Alex, just go right. Alex, go right.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing? They're both getting sucked in my green.
Hey, help
What
him.
man support him?
Hey, get him off that pitch, man.
We'll actually win this. Huh? Hold up, Kev. Hold it up. Hold it up. Alex shot. Alex shot.
But they lost last
If you're
week.
tired, sub. If you're tired, sub.
Anyone gets tired.
Anyone tired, then sub.
There's no point. There's not even
We're playing those again. Red and black. Right.
I don't know, my guy. Nah, no, you.
You man.
They're gonna say
Let's leave the ball working a bit, man. Working too hard.
no, he's not.
Hey, take your time. Take your time. Go keeper. Hold it and then go keeper. Spin off someone. Spin off.
Hey, make it this quick, okay?
Right, left shoulder. Hey, left shoulder. Take the foul. Get out. Go keeper.
Hey, this guy knocked me after 10 minutes. He still gets it.
Draw. You not draw.
Bro came up to you and said,
Steve, don't worry about it. Draw.
Don't worry about it. Hard dart.
Hey, see.
Anyone for a sub?
No, but I didn't.
Hey, yo. Hey, Rafi, die.
Oh, 4 minutes.
But I didn't do anything. Make the ball work.
Ryan. I think that's 5 minutes.
Oh yeah, because apparently someone tried robbing the
Come on, Jay.
Hey, yo, wait. Alex, hold on. It's all come off. Hey, yo. Stop.
Should have just held it for a minute.
I swear Ryan's going to the back with this guy.
Ryan's in the
Wait, not yet. Still in place. Go. You know you can't.